My mom lived 18 years on the res, the first 18 years of her life. During that time, she only met one professional Native person ever. Out of 10,000 tribal members, one professional Native. They couldn't find one to be a teacher, social worker, police officer, banker. It wasn't because nobody wanted such a job, and it wasn't because no one was capable of doing such a job. It's because even there, the systems were that successful at excluding Native people from gainful employment and positions of power. The one person she met was a school nurse. She thought, maybe I could do that. So she finished high school, went to nursing school, got a nursing degree, came back and was working for the tribe's health program. She thought, even here, Native people are getting pushed around. Enough of that. And she went to law school and became the first female Native attorney in the state of Minnesota. When I was a kid, she'd bring me with her to court and she'd say, you just sit there and don't say a word. So I'd sit there and not say a word. Couldn't remember her court cases very well, but I remember things. I remember that she was the only woman in court. I remember that she and her law partner, Paul Day, were the only Natives in court, and I came walking out of there thinking, you know what? We can do stuff. It's the D and the DEI, diversity, representation, role models, and it matters. It matters so much.